Welcome back, everybody. Back to Fastback Life here. Beautiful morning in Appleton, Wisconsin. See, it's nice and sunny out. A little chilly, but I'm fine with that. So yeah, we're gonna get back to work on the Oldsmobile Toronado. Last time you guys watched, if you did, I cleaned the car a little bit. I was able to get the engine to turn over. Still got some stuff in here. And off camera, I put an air filter on here so nothing would crawl inside the... Nothing would crawl inside. So it's a brand new air filter in there. Today I'm going to put some spark plugs on. Some new spark plug wires and spark plugs. Driver's side should be pretty easy. Looks like the passenger side is going to be a little bit more difficult. But that's the plan. Spark plug and spark plug wires, and then I gotta figure out a way to change the oil and the oil filter, and then look for the gotta look for the fuel filter and fuel line. So yeah, that's what we'll be working on. Alright guys, so I'm working on the spark plugs and spark plug wires right now, and I'm working on the passenger side. I've got them all done. Front one was the hardest to do. Next two were pretty easy. Now I'm gonna work on the driver's side, which the driver's side looks like they're all gonna be pretty easy. What you doing, bud? Yeah? Oh, that good? You are something else, bud. Hey, come here. How's your nose doing? Yeah, your nose and lip is better? He fell down right on his face, so he's a little banged up. Yeah? That good, bud? Yeah. Okay. Oh, man, he's something else. What, bud? What? So, yeah, I'm going to work on this side. And then I think I'm going to try and find out how to do an oil change on this. Jack up the front end somehow. Not sure. We'll see. Hey, guys. So, currently working on the oil change. Got the front end jacked up a little bit, and I've got the passenger side tire off. So I had to take the passenger side tire off to get to the oil filter, which is just like up there somewhere. And I'm currently still draining the oil, apparently. I don't know if you guys can see where the oil pan nut was or not. Yeah, you can kind of see where it's dripping out. So that's where my bolt went, or came out. That's my oil. Got stands on the front. Got my jack there just in case. But I got my spark plug wires, spark plugs in. Changing oil right now. Just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. So I'm gonna get my new oil filter ready, and see if I can throw it back up in there. I hope this goes smoothly. That way I can put the rim and tire back on. So yeah, tons of fun. Way too much fun. It'll be worth it though in the end. When I get it all fired up, hopefully I can get it chugging today. That'd be nice. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to pop off or not. Bye-bye, Peanut. had her rolling yesterday. Got the oil changed. The spark plug wires. Alright guys, so I'm not sure where I left off, but spark plug wires. I changed my oil filter. Couldn't get it to spin. I finally got it to spin again, to turn over. And when I do, a bunch of gas comes out in the front and in the back. So I know what side the fuel line's on. Can't try and spin her over now because I think I'm gonna replace the coil. See, I got a new coil sitting there, but I don't have any wires hooked up to it yet. So I'm hopefully that will make some spark and then she'll fire up, I guess. I don't know, but so far no luck. Alright guys, so I'm done for today and was unsuccessful in getting it started. I tried the new coil, nothing. Threw some fuel down the carb, thinking it would pop over, nothing. Had the battery in, it was spinning and spinning and spinning, and I had fuel down the carb and just nothing was happening. So I think maybe that distributor cap is bad. I don't know. I'm guessing that the points aren't contacting and making spark, which isn't sending spark down to the spark plugs. So yeah, been a pain in the butt, but I did get the oil changed, put the new oil filter on, spark plug wires, and then the fuel leaking out, the old fuel. So yeah, just gonna have to try it whenever I get a distributor cap, I guess. So if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. I know it's kind of a downer, not to get it started, but I can't win them all the time. But I'll get a distributor cap and we'll give it a try next time. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave your comments below if you think you know why it's not popping over, and maybe that'll help me out. So again, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. See you later guys.